Hey guys, Tim Martin again. In this video I have a hands-on look of the Leelbox Wi-Fi smart plug. This was actually sent to me a couple weeks ago so I can try it out and make a video for you guys. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm right here next to a power outlet. That way I can show you guys right away without having to move to another location. And over here in the back you can actually see the specs for this device. You can see the voltage requirement for input and output, and the DC as well. And of course, like it says here, it says control your devices from anywhere in the world. And it's also compatible with Android and iOS devices as well. Now, this thing right here is really cheap. It's only $14.99. You got the instruction manuals here, and yes, it is compatible with Alexa, right, like you see right there. The instructions are, very simple to follow. All you got to do is download the application. It will actually link to it right away. There's nothing more here in the box. You got this right here where you're going to plug your devices. You got the power button right there. And over here you got a USB port. You could charge smartphones or tablets with this port right here because it's actually a 5-volt 2.1 amp, which is not bad. That's mainly the requirements for up to a laptop, right? Not laptop, but tablet. And basically that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this right here. There you go. So once you plug it, you're gonna see there it's gonna start flashing. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug this right here. There you go. I'm gonna plug that right there. Let me see if it's on or off. It's on. Now that we have that connected to the power there, we're gonna go ahead and download this application, which is called Bright Fun. Keep in mind this application is compatible with Android and iOS as well. And when you first launch this application, it's going to actually ask you for an email. That email is going to be used to register your account with this device right there. And it's also going to ask you for your password for your Wi-Fi. Another thing to keep in mind is that this is only compatible with Wi-Fi 2.4. So if your phone is connected to 5.0, it's actually going to tell you, hey, please switch to 2.4 if you have one of those dual bands like I do. So once you have that, you've done that, here you're going to go ahead and select electrical outlet right there. And right now it says power on indicator, and confirm that the indicator light is blinking. The indicator light is actually blinking. So let's say confirm. Okay, there you go. Connected fast right there to the device. Now keep in mind when you're trying to connect the smartphone to your device, make sure when this is connected to the wall and this is off, of course, make sure the red light, there's a red light right there, make sure that's actually blinking a lot. If it's not actually blinking a lot, try pressing and holding the power button or turning on and off the power button and unplugging the device and plug it back in just to make sure it actually is blinking fast. Once it's blinking fast, it will actually, the application will actually recognize the device really fast. Now right here is actually connected successful, like you see there, and it has that generic name, but you can actually change the name of the device if you want. So if I want to name this just smart plug kitchen, I could do that right here. There you go, and that's it. So I could go ahead and click done. There you go. So now right now the smart plug is off. So if I click right there, it turns on. And it's cool that the application actually, like you see there, the application goes from dark blue to light, which is awesome. And of course you can still control this smart plug from here as well. You don't have to use the application, like you see there, but every time you actually mess with this right here, it actually changes the application as well, like you see there. So that's pretty damn cool. So once you have that, of course you could control this from anywhere you want because this is actually connected to the Wi-Fi. It's not using the Bluetooth of your phone. So that means that you could be at your office, at work, at school, and say, oh crap, you know what, let me go ahead and turn this lamp or whatever you want to have connected there and turn it on from your phone. You don't really have to be connected to the Wi-Fi, which is good. So this application is really simple. All you got here is, for example, a timer. So this timer right now, if you want to make that turn off like in an hour or something like that, all you gotta do is mess here with the times like that, and that's it. So right now the socket is gonna turn off after the specific time that you actually choose there. You can actually also create a timer list or a schedule. You could set a timer to turn on like a specific 8 p.m. Repeat. You can go ahead and choose all the days that you want repeated like that. And what action do you want it to take, turn on or turn off. So I want that to turn on, click save, and now from now on, it's actually going to turn on every day that I chose at 8 p.m. And if you want to choose another timer so it can actually turn off, you can actually here go to AM at 11. Here, repeat every single day or any other day that you want. And here, the action that you want is off. And that's it. Now, you have two timers. Right there, click save. And now you have two timers, one timer that will turn it on and another timer that will turn it off. And you can still keep on adding more timer as well. So basically that's it. This is a very, 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 very simple device that you can actually use to control any of your devices from out of town if you're not home. And it's only $14.99, which is not bad. I've been using it, like I said, for 2 weeks already, and it's been working pretty good, pretty decent. And over here, of course, you can plug in a smartphone or a tablet because the power is sufficient enough to charge actually a tablet at 5 volt 2.1. I think that's pretty good enough. All the devices that you have connected with this phone are going to be right here. If you have another plug, you could just go ahead and click right there and keep adding plugs. You can add like wall switches, light devices, air conditioner, robot vacuum, anything that you want there. I guess this application actually works with all those devices. So here you got also, you can create your own scene as well. And from your profile right here, you can actually use Echo or Google Home as well. Message center and all that. And that's it. So over here, we click right there. Let me go ahead and click over here. Right here, if you want to see if there's an update, just click right there and it'll actually say if there's an update. Firmware, there you go. So that's the latest firmware, so it doesn't need any update whatsoever. And that's it. So there you have it, guys. Just wanted to share this video with you guys just because I think that's a pretty good price, $14.99, and it's Wi-Fi enabled, which is good. So right now, if I turn off the Wi-Fi, there you go, my Wi-Fi is off. Device is offline. So right now it should be connected via 4G or my network. Let's see if it actually works here at home because I have very bad reception here at home. So if I turn right there, there you go. Look at that. So it's working without me connected to the Wi-Fi. There you go. And honestly, I have bad service in my home when it comes to 4G or 3G, and it's actually still working with the Wi-Fi off. So guys, that's it for this video. Just wanted to share this video with you guys. This was the Leelbox Smart Plug, which is only $14.99. I'll leave a links in my description. That way, if you're interested, you can actually purchase it from there and help my channel as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.